Rider slides across Jurong traffic junction after jamming on brakes. Losing control of one's bike and sliding on the road can easily be any motorcyclist's worst nightmare. But one rider seemingly managed to see the funny side to this during a recent incident. While traveling in Jurong on a rainy day, the motorcyclist apparently jammed on his brakes and ended up sliding across a traffic junction. Despite how dangerous the situation was, the rider remained cool as a cucumber as he slid across the wet road, almost as if he was on an amusement park ride. Rider slides across Jurong Junction on rainy day. The graceful move was captured in all its glory on dashcam footage sent to the SG Road Vigilante Facebook page. Based on the surroundings, the incident seemed to have happened at the junction of Jurong Town Hall Road and Jurong East Avenue 1. It was raining relentlessly at the time, and the roads were visibly wet. While nothing appeared out of the ordinary at first, a motorcyclist suddenly slid into the frame across the yellow box at the road junction.
Subscribe to my channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.